Equipment that remains in the shop does not draw revenue. It's a double whammy. You run a higher risk of losing valuable customers and missing out on rentals if you cannot reliably provide safe, well-maintained, and compliant equipment when needed. Getting that equipment out of the shop and ready for rent again is no easy task, especially with the complexities that come with servicing a large fleet. Operational aspects such as mechanical schedules, skill sets, parts, work orders, manuals, and shop space create the perfect storm that needs to be efficiently managed and prioritized for optimal equipment utilization. That's where keeping your service team on the ball with the supporting technology could make all the difference. You can prevent the chaos with Win Systems' innovative and automated service solution software that helps you take charge of your equipment management from the ground up, with user-friendly features that drive cost-effective results. The proprietary platform supports your team by prioritizing work, staying focused and accountable on tasks, minimizing costs on budgets for parts and warranty repairs, and integrating directly with the rest of your rental business through RentalMan, Win's proprietary equipment rental ERP. Are you ready to supercharge your service department and achieve higher utilization from your existing fleet? Reach out to a Win representative and discover how our service solutions can help you outperform your top competitors for quality service turnarounds for satisfied customers every time.